So today I'm going to quickly show you how to update your software on the Brother PE-800 Embroidery Machine. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to brotherusa.com/support/PE-800. Once you do that, you're going to see this screen and you're going to click on Downloads and Drivers, and then this will pop up. Then you're going to select your operating system. I have Windows, I have the newest version, so I'll click 10. And then you're going to click OK. Then this is where you click to update the software. You're going to just quickly look at the version, and it's telling me here that the newest version of the software is 1.10, and that release date was 4/21 of 2020. So that's the last time they had a software update for this machine. So you're going to come over here to your machine and you're going to turn it on. And you're going to look and see what your latest software is. If you have a version that is less than 1.10, then you need to update your software. So the first thing you're going to do to figure out what version software you have, you just click here on this button, and then this comes up. So you're going to just hit the back button once, and then this comes up. And it'll tell you right here, version 1.07. So I know from looking at this that I have an old version. My version on my machine is 1.07, and the newest version is currently 1.10. So I need an update. So what am I going to do? I'm going to click here on this link, and I'm going to download the file. Go here, say I agree. Okay. The file automatically starts downloading here in my screen. So I'm going to open it and I'm going to drag it over to a little USB thumb drive, and then I'll plug that thumb drive over into the machine to do the software update. Okay, so once you have your USB drive plugged in, all you have to do is find it here in your folder. Find your USB, just right click, and then go to Format. And then you'll want to double check that the file system you have on it is an FAT file. And you're going to want to make sure you have quick format selected, and you're going to click Start. It's going to just warn you that, hey, it's going to erase everything off your thumb drive. Totally fine. Click OK. So it's erasing everything. It's formatting my thumb drive. Click OK. Close. And then we're going to go ahead and bring everything back over. Okay, so we've formatted the thumb drive, and we have our new software update here in our folder on our computer. We're just going to go ahead and take this software update and we're going to drag it over to our thumb drive. Remember, this is after we've deleted everything off the thumb drive and after we've formatted it and made sure it's in FAT format. All those steps have to be done for this process to work. So we've confirmed that it is now on our thumb drive. So we can just exit out, and then I'm going to go ahead and right click down here to safely eject. That way there's no issues with a corrupted file or anything. You just find the little thumb drive icon and then you hit eject, and then it'll pop up and say, hey, it's safe to remove your thumb drive. Okay, so we've got our file on our freshly formatted thumb drive. What we're going to do now is go ahead and prepare for the software update. Now, in order to do that, we have to do this funky little two-step where we're going to turn on the machine, but only after we've held down the needle button here on the PE-800. So you're going to go ahead and hold down your needle button first, then go ahead and flip on your machine. And keep holding down that needle button. You get this handy message here pop up, and it's going to tell you, hey, press load after you connect your USB media. So I'm going to take my finger off. I'm going to get my USB here. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. I use one of these little extenders for my USB because I detach and attach it so often that this little area here gets worn. And so one of the ways you can get around having this USB input be worn is to get one of these. That way all the wear and tear is on this part and not on the one in your machine. Just a friendly note. Okay, so we have this attached. Okay, now we're going to go here to our button and we're going to click load. Okay, it should say saving the upgrade file, do not turn off main power. Okay, So it's just giving you that percentage update, letting you know that it's loading up that software. Okay, so now that it is told us that the upgrade is complete, I'm just gonna wait a few seconds, and then we're gonna go ahead and turn off the machine. And then wait a few seconds, and don't forget to unplug your thumb drive. And then we'll go ahead and turn on our machine and double check that our software update really did take. Okay, so just click here. It's gonna do its thing. Okay, click this little icon here and then take it back one. And now we got our new version 1.10. That is the latest version. And we are updated. So that's all you have to do to update your machine. Hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe.